Hi, friends. I set out this weekend to do a little fishing at Lake Isabella and do some camping, hopefully with some friends. But all the plans changed because the friends couldn't come, so I'm by myself. There is absolutely no fishing. I'm sorry, there's absolutely no camping at Lake Isabella right now because of COVID. And so I did an internet search to try and find some BLM land, not Black Lives Matter, but Bureau of Land Management, and I came up with this place, Chimney Peak area, and there's a campground, and I explored it yesterday, and there's I want to say I think it's 12 miles away where the campground is, but it takes about an hour because the roads are kind of bad. But yeah, BLM land rules, dude. I'm gonna do a little camping by myself, and yeah, we'll see what I get into here. Christine hates camping, hates the cold, and has to work, so that's why she's not here. But I am, and it's probably gonna get ridiculous. So here we go. Enjoy. This is my little campground. Place for a fire already. Little wood already. I'm gonna chop a bunch more though. Yeah, we're in the wilderness. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. All right, so made it to the campsite. I got the tent all set up, which to me is the boring part. Got the bedding in there. Very haphazardly, I'll arrange all the bedding later. But I really want to get into this wood cutting for some reason. But also, yeah, just want to make sure I'm leaving this place nicer than when I found it. First, I'm going to clean up the fireplace or fire pit, throw away the trash, and I'll scoop all the ashes and dispose of them. And then I'm going to make this a huge pile of firewood. So yeah, I'm going to get to chopping, get to cleaning, and have some fun. And hopefully I'll show you some of it. Oh my goodness, chopping wood is exhausting. Who'd have guessed? All right, slowly getting there. It's hard work, it really is. It's 2:40 right now. And sunset is at about 4:45, so that really doesn't leave me that much time to load this place full of firewood. I just want to have as much as I possibly need because it's going to be so cold here tonight. There's a lot of interesting stuff out here. It's obvious this area is used for shooting a lot. See all kinds of stuff with bullet holes in it. Guys, gotta get better as a community at cleaning your crap up. Starting to stack up that wood. Let's go. Man, the second the sun ducks behind the mountain over there, whew, freezing cold immediately. I was in a t-shirt and I was moving around doing lots of work, but it was even a little hot earlier. But yeah, second that sun went down, boom, I'm freezing. So I'm actually gonna put on even more clothes now, and we'll start thinking about the fire, although I don't want to do it until I really need to. But yeah, pretty soon here we're gonna have to light it up, make some dinner after that, keep it going. Check out the wood pile here. Woo! Yeah, got after it. So that should be more than enough wood. Hopefully we'll leave a bunch for the next people as well. Ooh, sweatpants underneath my jeans? Yes, thank you. So here is the fire making plan. I am no expert at all. Don't do what I do. I mean, unless it works, then go ahead and do it. But here's what we're gonna do. First, we've got some dried grass here that I think will catch really well, followed by some little sticks, and then some bigger sticks, and then finally the logs. The interesting thing is we have a couple ways to do this. Number one, if my first method doesn't work, this is what we'll be using, these little fire starter cubes. I've got a lighter, so we'll just light that on fire. It'll light everything else on fire. Piece of cake. But we're gonna try and use a fire starter. And we'll see how that goes. So I'm not very confident in it, but and I've never messed with it, never watched a video, never read the directions. Just gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, we'll try harder next time. So enjoy. Ooh. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. Let's see. Don't want to suffocate this. Wait. Nope. GoPro out of the way. Put on some slightly bigger pieces now. All right, we have fire. Whew. Can't believe how easy that was. Next time I'll have to try a bow drill. Not really, we're not doing that. Unless someone, like I have an expert, really show me how to do it. Anyways, I'll check back in later for dinner, but fire's happening. It is so cold. T-shirt during the day, freezing, and it's not even dark yet. The sun's down, but so cold. This is gonna be tough. Also, a little minor celebration. Bye. They'll need you. I whittled this stick. All right, I think we're there. It's actually really good. Something about the cheapest hot dogs, no condiments, nothing fancy, just that we happen to be in wilderness. Can't beat it. Made it yourself. Let's go. I didn't like harvest the pig or anything. Yeah, whatever. All right, guys, gonna throw, I don't know if you can see that, gonna throw this pot on the fire so we can make our easy mac. Nice. All right, guys, doing my best here to help you see. It's only like, it's 5:30 right now. And it's completely pitch black. As you can see, it's starting to boil a little bit, so I'm gonna add the noodle. Hi folks, I hope you can see me a little bit. I'm pretty bundled up, plus, you know, it's extremely dark out here. Anyways, totally freezing my booty off. Strangely enough, I'm in bed, but it's about 6:45. But it's just so cold. Right now, I am going to embrace the suffering and continue to have fun. So yeah, I might check in a little more before the night's over, but if not, that's it for me. Good night. So here's the deal. I just went out to take my final urination break of the night. It's 7:30. I also went to go check on the fire, double douse it just to make sure. And as I'm coming back in, I had left a gallon of water outside, and I pick it up, to go douse the fire. And it had iced over. I was like, what's crunching inside? It's ice. It had been, I don't know, at most 30 minutes since I had left it outside the tent, like when it was still moving, and now it is frozen over. So, yeah, I just got a nice reality check. Man, I'm seriously scared now. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to jump right into the deep end with winter camping. Anyways, I hope there's more video after this. Good night. It's below freezing and I'm drinking ice water. Woo! We made it to morning. It's light outside. Still so cold. See if I can show you my water now. It's the only place that's iced over. See if it'll leak out. It does feel a little bit warmer. Might still be below freezing though. Yeah, so this is what I was trying to drink last night. As you can see, it's not
is coming just a little bit, it looks like.
Good morning, everyone. I probably look like junk, but I'm alive. It's daytime. It was cold. It's still cold, but not unbearably so anymore. The sun is shining. It's another beautiful day out here. I think, oh, by the way, I'm just absolutely so sore from chopping wood yesterday. But I think I'm gonna make a fire, make some breakfast, clean up the area, maybe stack some more firewood, and then get on the road. But that's the plan right now. Oh, did I say make breakfast? I don't know if I did. I'm a little out of sorts, but yeah, it should be fun, and we'll get going. I'm gonna try cooking these English muffins first, and we'll see how that goes. Just kind of winging it here. I just would like them to get a little toasty, and then we'll do some eggs on here. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, good enough. I don't think they turned out too bad. Well, it turns out I'm a genius in the kitchen. Let's see. Pretty smoky tasting. I could have let the English muffin get a little crispier, but not bad. That'll work. So I was planning on making a little more lunch. I had some oatmeal ready to go and some tea, breakfast rather than lunch. But this fire is just kind of making me nervous just because it's so dry out here. And yeah, the last thing I want is a little spark to go somewhere and light this whole area on fire, and I'm responsible for the next big wildfire. All right, I'm gonna do one final project while I'm here, and I'm actually kind of excited about it, kind of dreading it, but I'm gonna cut through that. Can you see it? Boom. Big old thing. Just one time through right here. It's not gonna be easy with hand tools. This is what I'm working with down here. Got the splitter, the little axe, and the saw. We'll be doing most of the work. Woo, here we go. I was so sore before I even started this, but I really can't quit now. So much farther to go, but just don't want to quit because I decided I was going to do it. So here we go. That was really hard. Man, I should have had some motivation before doing that. I just wanted to do it because it would be fun and as a challenge. And after about 5 minutes, I didn't want to do it anymore. But just focusing on not being a quitter. So had to keep doing it. Arms are shaking now. Fun times. I accomplished it. Headed out now, headed for home. I am completely exhausted. My arms are not gonna work for quite a while. Got a nice little backwoods drive here for about, I don't know, about an hour. And then about another hour 15, hour and a half to my folks' house, and then a couple more hours home. So should be a good old Sunday. Looking forward to it, and maybe you'll get some more views. We'll see. Let's go. It's December 19th, and I'm on a mountain camping. Idiot.